Arngut kinongnya kali go-kart urivan Dev Pritham bat urihan Khan kila Pyniapbiej ki Nongpeitkai ki sap ki jongki. Urivan ubala job asin haka national karting champion bat uba ningkong na kari India ban job haka FIA Motorsport Games. Ula pendengar bat Pyniapbiej ki Nongpeitkai da ka jing tibet ka jong u banya stat ya ka kali ka basyat penankam haka balik racing lani ka go-kart bat ula ong bau kupau la ai mensim ya u bat shim ya ka sport. So we bau Khynnah urihan Khan Khynnah badang shupau haga ni jingele akai udei ubana Chennai badula ong ba mauru ula yo mensim ban shim ni ga jingele akai na ukpa jong u bad usngo kemen shibun banyo ban pedi ya kasap ka jong u hakmat ki Nongpeitkai ki babun national urihan Khan ubadang khatwis nam kartau la sha aje banya khun ka champion of the future academy program bad ula badru ya ka record ka pastatam ban pendap ya ka wei kalap lani ban pendap ya ka lenti ka bapura haman laki jaka bala menjol ka FMSCI ka badan hakaleng kari India.
Everyone is Pritham and I turned 12 years old yesterday. I'm the current two-time national champion.
Okay, so what inspired you to become racing?
My dad is a 7-time national champion on bikes, and when I was 6, he built me a go-kart, and I started enjoying it. So when I was 9, he took me to my first official nationals, where I placed 6th, and the next 2 years I won it.
So what are your future inspirations?
I want to get to F1.
My name is Rehan Khan and I'm 11 years old.
Okay, so Rehan, what inspired you to become a go-kart racer?
My dad had a racing team, so I went to watch few of the races and I got inspired. I wanted to join motorsports, so my dad brought me to motorsports.
So what is the most thrilling thing about this?
It's enjoying, it's fun. I feel very excited to perform here in Shillong. So I look forward to it.
Is this your first time in Shillong?
Yeah, it's my first time in Shillong.